Just making a update video on the side accent mirror bulbs. You don't need to take them apart and replace them with one of these style LEDs anymore. They have them on Amazon now. You can replace the entire bulb without having to take anything apart. They have multiple colors, different vehicles, different Ford vehicles, Toyota, you name it. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description so you can get one of these and just pop out your originals, pop a new one in, and get whatever color you want. And they're not that expensive. I believe it was $40 a piece for these at Ford, so I could take them apart to get them to work. And for under $20, you can get replacement ones fairly cheap. Rename my channel. It's swampfoxgarage.com. I also have another channel, Swamp Fox Moto, which I'm going to concentrate on four-wheelers, motorcycles, dual sports. I plan on purchasing the new 300L Honda dual sport as soon as I can. I'm on the waiting list. I've already put my money down, so I'm going to be one of the first ones, at least at the Honda dealership near me, to get one. And I also plan to do a few more videos on replacing vacuum lines. This is my 99 Mustang. I've done a lot of modifications to it. I plan on doing a few more videos on some things that I've updated and replaced over time. I'll have affiliate links for parts that I use, and I hope everyone is being healthy, staying safe. Get out, take a walk. Don't YouTube all day long. Take your kids out and walk with them. Take the dogs out. Go to parks. Everybody's going so stir crazy with all of this virus going on that everybody needs to go out and turn a wrench, do some maintenance, get your stuff ready for spring. Buy some tools you've been wanting to purchase, and keep yourself busy. And also, I'm not asking anyone to subscribe to my Patreon yet. I don't have enough content, I don't believe. But if you want to subscribe, I do have a Patreon. I'm trying to get better camera gear so I can use more than just my iPhone and a GoPro. So I would really appreciate that. And I appreciate any comments down below. If I say too much, I understand. I'm still trying to get a following and more of content that I believe is relevant to the common guy that has a problem that I haven't necessarily seen on YouTube before. So and I'm not just a Ford guy. I've got a Dodge truck as well. And I've got a Honda four-wheeler. I've got Suzuki motorcycle tools. I'm getting ready to do some spring cleaning, so I have a little bit nicer place to do videos. So, all right, and don't forget about my Swamp Fox Moto. Subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you later.